Hi guys, it's Digital Girl here with eStoreKings.com. Today we're going to be looking at choosing and installing a Shopify theme onto your Shopify store. So by default, when you first set up a Shopify account, you'll be given a free theme. Here we have the debut theme installed, but we'd kind of like to look at other themes to see their capabilities, what kind of styles and layouts they have, and so on. So if you're like us and you want to change up your Shopify theme, you can head over to your Shopify admin and click on Online Store. This will bring you to the Themes page where you can scroll down. So when it comes to installing a new theme, you have three options. Over here we have Upload Theme, and that is if you purchase a theme on another website and need to install the zip file. We can also explore free themes, and we can also look at the theme store on Shopify. So for now, we're going to have a look at the free themes available to us. And there are currently 9 Shopify themes that are free. They recently introduced the Express theme. I believe it was during COVID to help restaurants create their Shopify stores. So you can have a look through to see which websites fit your style and branding. Now, do keep in mind, you can customize them once you install them. So let's say, you like this layout, but you don't like the bright blue, it doesn't fit your branding. You can change things like that. So don't get too stuck on what they look like. You can modify them if necessary. So let's say here we'd like the Boundless theme. We can have a look before installing. And the great thing here is that it will outline the different features included with the Shopify theme. And you can also look at the different styles. So by default, it's the black and white. You can also look at the vibrant. So same general layout, but the fonts, sometimes the colors change, that kind of thing. It's also nice because Shopify gives you a preview as to what the mobile theme will look like as well. So let's go back and just look at a few other ones here. Same thing here, you see the features along with the different styles included. Same general layout with the navigation down the left-hand side there. Now you can certainly choose a theme from this view, but I do find it easier if you go over to the Shopify website to their theme section. So I'll include a link in the description below. But if you go over to the Shopify theme site, you can actually sort them and view them depending on category, industry, that kind of thing. So for example, if we go up to collections, we can view popular themes. We can have a look at, themes that are great for large inventories, which is helpful. It's also very useful because you can view by industry. So let's say you're selling something specific, which is obviously the case. You can look at the industry that you're in to have a look at themes that would really fit your niche. Lastly, you can view all themes, which I find to be the most useful because you can actually filter to your specific needs. So for example, let's say we want a free theme specifically, and we have a very large catalog, for example. This will narrow it down for you. And this is really helpful because let's say, so we want a free theme, but we're only selling one product. We're releasing a book, for example. You don't want a theme like this where it's really set up to handle hundreds of products. Now, another great thing that I love about viewing Shopify themes on the Shopify website is that it's very easy to navigate and click through to the theme demo. So for example, over here, when we were in our Shopify admin, I kind of had my eye on this one. It looks really cool. There are 3 different styles. It just looks really modern and interesting. Now from here, it doesn't actually give me the option to view the demo. So sure, I can install it onto my Shopify store and then push it live, but I would kind of like to see what it looks like fully stocked with products. So again, if we're over on the Shopify site and we click on that same venture theme, not only can we view the different styles like we could on the admin, but we can also view the demo. And this will give you a better idea to see the website fully populated. So for example, when you first start your Shopify store, chances are you won't have any products on it, or you might just have a handful, and you won't have pages set up either. This way we can actually look and see what the capabilities are and what the potential is for this theme. So here we can click through to a product page, for example. Here we can see what it will actually look like. We can also toggle between the different styles. So again, from style to style, the layout is quite similar, but it still gives you an idea as to what the potential is for different styles, fonts, colors, that kind of thing. So now that I've seen this kind of in action, I do want to install it. So I can click up here, start with this theme, or from the admin, we can simply add it to theme library. And from there, it's only going to add it to our library. It doesn't actually push it live. It doesn't activate it. It doesn't actually do anything with it. It just adds the files to our account. So once it's done loading, we can go ahead and preview it by clicking on Actions and Preview. So again, this is the reason why you want to view the demo. So here we're previewing it, which is great, but we don't have anything set up. There's no products. It makes it hard to kind of give you a better idea as to what it'll look like. Again, it still looks nice and stylish though, even just at that. And now that we've previewed it, we like it, we can go ahead and publish it. So again, we're going to click on Actions and Publish. And from there, it asks, are you sure? We say yes, publish. So now when we go back to our Shopify store and hit refresh, the new theme is now installed. Now we've lost the logo, so we'll have to go back and upload that, but the theme itself is installed and we're ready to go. So again, this was just a free theme. I will put a bunch of links in the description pointing you to not only the Shopify site, but other places where you can find Shopify themes. And the great thing is, because Shopify is getting bigger and bigger, as we all know, there are so many options when it comes to themes, both free and paid online. So again, I'm going to include several links in the description below of not only themes that you can find on the Shopify store, but of other places online that are stocked full of premium, high-quality Shopify themes. I hope that you found this Shopify tutorial helpful, and good luck in finding your theme. Make sure you check out eStoreKings.com for more e-commerce help and tips.